Hi my loves, I'm Frida and I'm back again with another video. I know I've been absent for a while, but I'm so sorry, I got busy. But hi, I'm Frida. If you're seeing me for the first time, I talk about all things skincare, all things lifestyle, product reviews, and so much more. And if you're my OG, my real subscriber, you know how we do it here. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel, for always liking, commenting, turning on your post notification button, and subscribing to this channel. And if you've not subscribed, you've not liked this video, you've not commented, please do so now, because you know I always bring you tea, and this video will be packed with so much amazing things. Okay, so guys, today I'll be talking about a head to toe skincare routine for a glowing, radiant, and beautiful skin for my beginners in this skincare journey. Yes guys, and it's budget friendly. You know we always give you things on a budget on this channel. Yes, so it's budget friendly. If you see me looking down, you already know I'm looking at my notes and I wrote down amazing and beautiful things for you guys. So let us start. The first on our list is going to be your bathing soap. So I'll be listing out two each or just a single product. So whichever one you can get your hands on, or if you've used a certain one and you do really like the outcome, you could try the other one, but I assure you that they will all work perfectly. Okay, the first on our list, it's the bad boy. Like, this soap is everybody's favorite if you know how to use it. Yes, and I'll be making a video on how to use it, so this is the time for you to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on it. Okay, it's the bad boy. The first on our list is the kojic soap. Yes, you heard me right. This particular kojic, I'll be attaching a picture to it here. This particular kojic soap, guys, this soap is amazing. It is the baba for clearing hyperpigmentation, body spots, scars on your skin with consistency. This soap will give you what you want and more, but you have to know how to use it. I told you I'll be dropping a video on that. Now I'm just recommending products for my beginners, so get your pens ready, write it down, go to the market and get them. Okay, yeah. So the kojic soap, if you can't get the kojic soap, you get the turmeric and honey soap. This soap is perfect, it does wonders, and generally it's a win-win. Do you understand? It's very good for all skin types. You will not have any reaction. I'll always tell you to use soaps, you have to use soaps the right way for you to get the right results. Okay, so these are the two bathing soaps that you need. Next, I'll be moving on to an exfoliant, a body scrub that you need, because all these products I'll be listing, if you don't get a scrub, then you're wasting your time, because you need a scrub so that all these products can work effectively. The scrub I'll be talking about is a cool spa scrub. Yes, you can either get any of the cool spa scrubs are fine, like they work perfectly, so you don't have to limit yourself to only turmeric or vitamin C. All of them work perfectly. Do you understand? So just pick whatever you feel like that works with your skin and go with it. So the turmeric, the cool spa scrub works perfectly, so that is your body scrub. Now let's move on to your body lotion. Yes, so the body lotion I'll be listing out is the Dr. Davey body lotion. This lotion is super amazing. Like I said, guys, you don't need to limit yourself to just a particular, like a single specific part of that lotion. You don't need to limit yourself to only the alpha button or only the kojic. Just pick an ingredient that works perfectly with your skin and you'll be fine. Okay, so whichever of the Dr. Davey body lotion that you go for is going to be fine. All you just need is consistency and combining it with the right product. Well, you don't even need to bother, because I've already compiled all the products you need to get. So what you need to do is get your money ready and go to the market and get them. So if you can't get the Dr. Davey body lotion, you get the Nivea lotion. This particular Nivea, the one that contains vitamin C, it is perfect and wonderful. Do you understand? It's a mild brightening lotion that will get the job done. You won't have any issues You won't have any reactions, nothing. Okay, so the next on our list is your body oil, guys. So the body oil I'll be recommending is the Disaar vitamin C body oil. I've talked about this oil, like, if you're my channel and you've not used this oil, what are you doing? What are you doing? Like, I need to flog you. I'm just joking, guys, but it's actually a very good oil. Okay, so get your hands on it, and like I said, it's budget friendly, so it's on the cheap side, so you can get it and it works perfectly for your skin. All right, the next, if you can't get this Disaar vitamin C body oil, you get Zehra beauty oil. It's an amazing oil and it's a glow oil. This will work perfectly on your skin also. Like I said, guys, it's super amazing. I've talked about these oils before. You can go down my video, go down my channel, and you see a place where I recommended body oils for you. So if you don't even want any of these two body oils, you're good. Any of the ones I mentioned in my other videos work perfectly for you. Okay, the next product on my list is the Estelin niacinamide serum. Yes, this serum, it's for your face. You use it on your face. It's super amazing, and you already know that niacinamide is a very good ingredient to incorporate into your skincare routine. Niacinamide will help to boost and build your skincare skin barrier. It will help to hydrate your skin. It will also help to limit the production of melanin in your skin, which causes hyperpigmentation. So it's a win-win for you on all sides. So if you can't get the Estelin niacinamide serum, you get the face pack niacinamide serum. Face pack don't play with their serums, and face pack, if they tell you that this serum is niacinamide, it is niacinamide, guys, and it works perfectly. So you can get any of them. It's okay. So the next on our list for your face creams is the Kojic clear face cream. This face cream is super amazing. Why? Because it will lighten your skin and clear your hyperpigmentation, clear your spots, and it's just a good night face cream. It works perfectly for your skin. Okay, so that's the Kojic clear face cream. I'll attach a picture of it here. But if you can't get the kojic clear face cream, please kindly get the X whitening face cream. This face cream is super amazing and it's affordable and it gets the job done. Like, guys, this is a win-win on all aspects. Okay, so this face cream is amazing. This X whitening face cream, so either of them that you want to get, that's perfect. So the next on the list is for your moisturizer. You know, I always like simple things, and then I'm considering all skin types, so this generally works for all skin types. It's aloe vera gel. You can use this as your moisturizer if you have a dry skin, if you have an oily skin, you have a normal skin, you have a combination skin. It works perfectly for any skin type that you have. Okay, so the aloe vera gel, you layer it on your face in the morning after your niacinamide serum, and you're good to go. Okay, you layer it with your aloe vera. After the niacinamide serum, you layer the aloe vera gel on your skin, and then you follow up with your sunscreen. You know me, I must always talk about sunscreen because sunscreen helps you prevent stories, helps you get your skin bright. Do you understand? When you're brightening, when you're lightening, incorporate sunscreen into your routine and leave the rest. Do you understand? It will work perfectly. So the sunscreens I'll be recommending is the Dr. Rashel sunscreen. If you can't get the Dr. Rashel sunscreen, you get the Estelin sunscreen. Any of them work perfectly. So we already know that you will exfoliate your skin 3 times a week with the Cool Spa body scrub. Then this is how to use. Okay, exfoliate your skin 3 times a week with the Cool Spa body scrub. Then you proceed to bathing with your kojic soap or your turmeric and honey soap. Then you moisturize your body with your body lotion, which is the Dr. Davey body lotion or the Nivea vitamin C lotion. Afterwards, you follow up with your body glow oil. You either use the Zehra beauty oil or you use the Disaar vitamin C oil. That is that for your body. Then for your face at night, when you're done bathing and washing off all the grease, the oil, and all the whole dirt accumulated on your skin, you follow up your skin with your night face cream, which is the X whitening face cream, or you use the Kojic clear face cream. During the day, you layer your niacinamide serum on your skin and then your aloe vera gel, followed by your your sunscreen, and you're good to go, guys. That is how to use this simple and amazing budget friendly skincare routine for my beginners. So I've told you what to get, I've told you how to use it. There's nothing stopping you from getting a glowing skin. So guys, let me know in the comment section, comment down below if you use any of these products. How was it on your skin? I'm sure you really liked your skin, so let me know. And also let me know videos that you want to see me do, special requests, whatever. I'll be taking them and I'll be picking people from my comment section that I will be replying their comments with a video, guys. So you can personally ask me any question when it comes to your skin and I will answer. Bye, I love you. Mwah.